Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with another video of unboxing a Hot Wheels case, and this time it is a special one, FLF56, which is a transporter Hot Wheels case. And trust me, this is one of the most wanted and in demand case that the collectors look for. And I am really hoping to get one of the Ferrari Fiat transport truck and Ferrari 250 GTO out of these 4 cars in this box. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the box and see what we've got inside. So the first one that we have got out of the box is not the Ferrari Fiat truck, but it is the Toyota AE86 printed twin of Fleet Street. So it's time to take out the second model out of the box, and this one is the Lycan Hyper Sport car along with the Euro hauler Camion de Transport. So far we have taken out 2 of the beautiful models of the transporter truck. Now it's time to take out the rest too. But before that, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel, as more of such videos are going to be coming soon. And also, as soon as we complete the 2000 subscribers, so there will be a giveaway, so make sure that you are connected to us. Now coming back to the video, and we have got the third car, which is the Ferrari 250 GTO, which is along with the most beautiful Fiat 642 RN2 Bartoletti transporter truck. And especially this was the model that I was looking for, and it's really beautiful, the Ferrari with the Hot Wheels. Now it's time to take out the fourth and final car out of the box, and it is again a Ferrari 250 GTO along with their Fiat transporters. So I've got 2 of these in the box, and as you can see, they are of the Car Culture Team Transport series of the Hot Wheels Premium. These Ferrari Fiat models are really the special ones, as they take you back in the history of 1950s and 60s of the Ferrari's racing. And they share a big part in the history of Ferrari's racing, as during the races of Le Mans or Formula 1, these trucks used to carry the Ferrari race cars. So these were the 4 models, or actually we should say these were the 3 models that we've got out of the box. So now you may take the closer look at these cars and the trucks.